So as discussed, we created a project named DDF sample in SRC. Since we are following a POM, we plugged in the stuffs like Selenium Java by Maven dependencies, TestNG, and some of the resources like Apache POI, OOXML, as as we are using XSF for read Excel file class. We have a separate package execute engine which executes my test case. Here in this my test case is web setup is the test case, and the data provider for it is test data, and this method provides the data for my test case, and this is referring to the read Excel file class.java. So as this is we should run with testng xml, so whatever dependencies we require we may add into this POM with the dependency tag inside. So it adds all the reference libraries required. So whatever all the references we have added here, that Maven from Maven repository, and let's straight away get to the testng.xml which got created as we converted it into the testng suite. Right here we need to create a class name equal to package name dot the class which we require to test with the name test. Right, let's try it out. Let's run this program as a testng suite. Let's see what the result is gonna be. Run as a testng suite. So initially, as per our code, it should navigate to the browser from and then send the keys from Excel file which are situated in these resources. So this demo excel.exe, and it has to expand and close. No, I don't think so. I have written. So it navigated to the web application. Here it's a login page, and it sends keys to the editable text box from Excel sheet and implement the appropriate method. Click for the login button. So that is sign me in. So actual result will be collected and will be asserted with the expected result which we have given in our assert condition. If it suits it, it will pass it. I just gave a random username and password in my Excel sheet. So this is how it is running. Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So it gives the, now it's running with the third username and password. I think in this Excel file we have given 6 different data sets. So it will conduct 6 tests and give the result whether it has been passed or not in a report, test report. Let's see after that. As I'm recording screen, I think a little slow in execution. This is how data-driven framework works. Data-driven framework with respect to the name is one test case of an web application should be tested with a different data sets. So here you can see the data sets. We got result, but let's show the data set. So we just tried with some random stuff. So 6 tests has been run and failures has been 6. I just used some random stuff, it won't. So let's see test output. In test output in index.html, it will produce why it has failed and what all test failed methods, what all the parameters we have used here. This is how we will report. That's how we drive different test data, from an external file. Here in this case we went with an Excel file. We can use any other XML or any other file and pass that by finding the locators. Here we are finding the locators, pass the keys and do the appropriate apply the or execute the appropriate method as long as data is provided, while of data is provided, right? So we are providing column 0 refers to username and column 1 refers to the password. I hope this would be useful to you. So this utility we can create here. If you want to go with, instead of XSF workbook or XSF sheet, instead of that you can go with HSSF, and appropriate dependencies you need to add. Here we went with Apache OPY OXML dependency, right? Hope this is useful. Thank you.